In my video tutorial, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called the bully. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware on the files, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the files, but I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover them. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without any troubles. So pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and all other data. All that can be opened easily without any troubles. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware called the bully may be very easily injected into the computer. As a consequence, it is impossible to use the files. The ransomware actually is able to damage the files that you store on the hard drives. Very soon you will notice how damaging this ransomware is and what exactly it can do with your files. So basically it encrypts files, and then it appends a special extension to the file names. As a consequence, it is impossible to use the files anymore. Then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. But paying the ransom is definitely not a good idea, because this does not guarantee that the files will be restored if you pay the ransom. So do not pay the ransom and do not waste your money. So these are the consequences of the ransomware's attack. The ransomware actually appends this weird extension called HAHAHAIAMABULLY. It also reveals the ransom note, as I said, but you should not pay the ransom and you should not waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable anti-ransomware software, which is called Cleaner Antivirus, and you may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So through either of your available browsers, go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software through this site combocleaner.com, install the program, and then once it is successfully installed, start thoroughly researching the system. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and remove this ransomware and other threats. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues, and definitely what is exceptionally valuable, Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.